Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my lovely kids. Here's teacher Amina with new English lesson. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Okay, today we will learn new things in English. Are you all ready? Okay, let's start. First of all, we will sing a song. Okay, everybody sing with me. Two little hands go clap, clap, clap. Two little feet go tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes open wide. One little head goes side by side. Very good. Okay. Now children, today we will learn about new letter, and the name of this letter is letter K. This is letter K. And the sound of K is K. The sound of K is K. 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 Everybody say with me. K. K. Very nice. Okay, let's see how many things we can say with the sound of letter K. Wow! You can see. Here are the things. Here is animal. Look at animal. Which animal is this? This is kangaroo. Kangaroo. Have you ever seen kangaroo? Okay, I show you this. This is kangaroo. Okay. And who is he? He is a king. King. Kangaroo. King. Everybody say with me. Kangaroo. King. Okay, what else we can say with the sound of letter K? Cattle. Look at cattle. This is a cattle. Cattle. And what is this? This is a kite. What is this? This is a kite, and here you can see so many colors in kite. Okay, it's a colorful kite. Cattle. Everybody say with me. Cattle. Kite. Very good. Okay, children, my lesson is finished. I hope you will revise this lesson at home. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.